Error 0x8024200d usually indicates the update download is incomplete or corrupted. It happens when Windows Update attempts to install an update, but the package is missing files or failed integrity validation. Here are the solutions for this error.
First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type dism/online/cleanup image/restore health. Press Enter. Wait for your PC to be repaired. Once it's finished, close the window and restart your PC. First, open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open System. Open Recovery. Locate Advanced Startup. Click on Restart Now. Click on Restart Now again. Press Troubleshoot. Press Advanced Options. Press Startup Settings. Press Restart. Press your F4 key. Open a folder. Open your C drive. Open the Windows folder. Locate SoftwareDistribution. Right-click it and select Delete. Restart your PC. Now run Windows Update. First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type sfc/scannow. Press Enter. Wait for Windows to be repaired. Type Exit and then press Enter. Solution 3. First, open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open System. Open Troubleshoot. Open Other Troubleshooters. Locate Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Press Run. Select Yes to diagnose your issues. Wait for your PC to be scanned. Press Yes if the troubleshooter fixed your issues. Now close the troubleshooter.